Hello everyone, we are from Group 6 and we want to introduce ourselves members of this Python project. The leader of the group, Ryan Lagdaan, and the members, Marlo Clemeno, Neil Asher Villarreal, Ian J. Riolo, and Merch King. So now, I'm going to explain about the class bank account in Python program. Our project, class bank account that I usually created are general purpose, specialize the client. So first step, yung ginawa po namin is we do a class bank account and also using define function. Using init with typical argument results. These keywords using Python to initialize attributes of the class with an object that class created. This step is followed by initialize self the balance as 0. So simple niyan dito sa line 1, class bank account, line 2 hanggang sa self transfer. Line 5, so yun na po yung purpose. Sa step 2 naman, gumawa ako ng function of self and deposit just as amount of monies taken by an self balance plus equal amount from example sa line 7 and line 10, 11 hanggang sa print line 13.
First, depth withdraw. Input self and amount. Second, if amount greater than 0 and self balance greater than equal amount. Self balance equal amount. Self transaction history append and F withdraw amount. Print withdraw successful current balance self balance. Else print insufficient found or invalid withdraw amount and transfer and def transfer self recipient amount if amount is greater than 0 and self balance equal greater than equal amount self withdraw amount and recipient amount deposit self transaction history append input transferred amount to account recipient account print transfer successful else print and input insufficient cash or invalid transfer amount also def view balance print account balance or self balance def view transaction history self print or input transaction history for transaction in self transaction history print transaction okay na
The define meaning view transaction history self print transaction history for transaction in self transaction history print transaction and define transaction main create two bank account for testing account 1 bank account is 12345 account 2 bank account is 67890 and then while true print welcome PSUB bank ATM print 1 view account balance print 2 deposit cash print 3 withdraw cash print 4 view transaction history and print 5 exit choose input enter your choice.
If our execution of statement choice 2 equals sign and the sign number 1 will add the account number. If E enter the account number, the view balance will appear and also in the second account. Conditional statement or else account not found. Next is leave. Choice 2. Add the account number, input in it, and enter the deposit amount. Pair the deposit amount and also in the second account. Conditional statement, account not found. Leave. Choice 3. Add the account number and enter the withdrawal amount and will appear the withdrawal amount and also in the second account. Conditional statement, account not found. Leave choice 4. Leave choice 4. Enter account number will appear the view of transactions, also the second account. Conditional statement, account not found. And the last choice, 5, this is the exit, will appear, thank you for banking with us, goodbye. Conditional statement, invalid or choice, valid choice, please try again. And the last is the if name, two equal signs, and the main.
Simple. Lahat. Ano na? Ano na? Okay. This is the output of our presentation. Welcome to BDO ATM. 1. View account balance. 2. Deposit cash. 3. Withdraw cash. 4. View transaction history. 5. Exit. And so, bali, dalawang account po yung ginamit namin. 1. View account balance. Enter account number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 1, view account balance. Enter account number 67890. Number 2, deposit cash. Enter account number to deposit into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter deposit amount to 1,000. Deposit cash. Enter account number to deposit into 67890. Enter deposit amount to 5,000. Number 3, withdraw cash. Enter account number to the withdraw from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter withdraw amount 500. Number 3, withdraw cash. Enter account number to withdraw from 67890. Enter withdraw amount to 3,000. For view transaction history. Enter account number to view transaction history to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Transaction history. Deposit 1,000, withdraw 500. Number 4, view transaction history. Enter account number to view transaction history 267890. Transaction history. Deposit 5,000. Withdraw 3,000. Number 5. Exit. Thank you for banking with us. Goodbye.